Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create a responsive contact us form using HTML and CSS3. So here is the demo of this one project. So this is the input field, sec 1, 2, 3 and message box, simple button. And the left side have a location, email, contact and a simple Google map. So it's fully responsive, right, as you can see. So I'm going to teach you how you can create that. So I'm going to close it and open my code editor. Inside my code editor I have a basic structure of HTML and I already included the font awesome file and also style.css. And inside the style.css I already included the Google fonts like Popup and Roboto. So we will use them inside our project. So let's get started to work on the contact us form. So I write the div, assign the class container. Inside the container I will create a div, assign the class contact data. Inside the contact data I'm going to write h2 and call contact me. Then I'm going to use form tag, leave the action. Inside the contact form I'm going to use label tag. Inside the label tag I'm going to use text like name. Then input field, inside the input field I'm going to use the text, and then I'm going to copy this one section and paste it, and I'm going to use email. Type is text, no, type is email, and third one will be subject, so type will be text. And then I'm going to use the last one will be message and type will be text, and finally I'm going to use button tag to send message, right? So let's see, I'm going to use short of the code editor and also I'm going to decrease the size of the browser. So this is our simple form. We will manage it using CSS. So let's get started to work on the CSS. Reset the property like box sizing 0 and padding will be 0, margin will be 0, and font family I'm going to use will be font family Popup and sans serif. So perfect. Then I'm going to select the container. Inside the container, just a minute, I'm going to show you container. So inside the container you need to assign the width and height. I'm going to use background will be gray 36445 4F and width will be 100%. First I'm going to save that. Let's see, when you will assign the height of 100 VH, then you will able to see everything inside the gray background. Then I'm going to select the container. Inside the container I have a contact data class. I'm going to show you this one. So you can use the background will be white and what is the next thing I'm going to use on there will be width will be okay 600 pixel. Oh, perfect. So right, and then I'm gonna use the what I'm gonna use on there. I'm gonna use the width 600 pixel and I want to display this one in the center, right, the complete contact form. So I need to use the display property inside my container. Justify content will be center, align item will be center. So you will able to see the contact form has been appeared inside the center of the page. Right, then I'm going to use the border radius of this one 2 pixel and I'm going to use border top will be 4 pixels solid, and this is the blue color 47B2E4. Perfect. And next one, I'm going to use the margin top and bottom 0, left and right 10 pixel, right? And then I'm going to select the contact form. So inside the form, I'm going to use padding top and bottom 0, left and right 1 rem, right? You are able to see the input fields are moved in the all side, but we will manage it step by step. You will understand better then. Then I'm going to select the complete this one section, and then I'm going to select the input field. Inside the input field, I'm going to also select the text area, because I will assign the same thing 95%, right? Width will be 95%. I'm going to use margin will be 5 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 and 10 pixel, right? I'm going to use 5 pixel on there, right, to move in the right side. Then I'm going to use padding top and bottom 7 pixel, left and right 10 pixel, perfect. And I'm going to use border 1 pixel solid, and this is a light gray of the color, perfect. And I'm going to use font size will be 1 rem, right? Then I'm going to select the, just a minute, contact form and h2 tag. I'm going to select this one, h2, and inside the h2 I'm going to use margin all side 1.5 rem. Font size I'm going to use will be, I'll leave the font size, and I'm going to use border bottom will be 0.2 rem, and same blue color solid, and I'm going to use width of this section 25%, perfect. Then I'm going to select the container, and inside the container I have a contact data and label tag. So just a minute, I'm going to select the label. In the label I'm going to use display block, because I will use margin, padding top will be 15 pixel. I want to move this one in the down. I want to make a space between 1 to 2nd and 3rd each section. Then I'm going to use margin padding left will be 10 pixel to move in the right side, right, perfect, as you can see. Then I'm going to select the button tag, and button tag, inside the button tag I'm going to use the margin top and bottom will be 20 pixel, left and right will be 10 pixel. Then I'm going to use border will be none, and padding top and bottom 10 pixel, left and right 20 pixel. I'm going to use background will be same light blue, and border radius 1 rem. I'm going to use font family, font size will be 1 rem, and border radius will be 5 pixel. First I'm going to set that, as you can see. Then I'm going to use the cursor will be pointer, so right, let's work on the hover effect on there. So hover, so I'm going to use background will be dark blue 3498 dB, right, light or dark blue, you can say that. I'm going to also assign the transition, so I'm going to use transition on there all 0.3s, and inside there I'm going to use transition 0.3s. Color will be white, so as you can see. Okay, so the next thing is very important. So this is my extension icon. Don't focus on this one. So this is our simple contact us form, but I want to display another section. Inside another section I will display the form, Google map icons and other things. So after this one section, right, this is first section. After this one section, you need to create a div. Assign the class will be, I'm going to use contact data 2, right? So you can write any name as you want, but I use same name like this one. So inside there, I'm going to use UL tag, ally tag. Inside the ally tag, I use the first, I'm going to use I tag, and first I'm going to use class fa solid, fa location dot. Perfect. As you can see, right? But we will manage it step by step. After this one section, I'm going to use the strong tag and call the location colon, right? Then I'm going to getting the location, I'm getting the data from this one form. So this is the location. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to use the paragraph tag and paste on there, right? So you can use same thing, yeah, like this one, paste second time. In the second time, you need to use the email like this one, paste on there, and email is info@, right? And you need to change the icon name like envelope, right? So as you can see, location, envelope, email. Third one is a call. So I'm going to use call and paste on there, and this is the number, so I'm going to paste on there. So right, as you can see. So let's work on that to manage it. So I go to, first we need to manage it. I go to my code editor. Style.css. Inside the style.css, the first thing is you need to assign the width and height. So I'm going to show you. I call contact, I call container contact data 2. So inside the contact data 2, I'm going to use same color, like background will be white, right? And then I'm going to use the border radius 2 pixel, border radius, same thing that I have assigned on above. And I'm going to use border top will be 4 pixel, solid and blue color. Perfect. And then I'm going to use width will be 400 pixel, margin top and bottom will be 0, left and right will be 10 pixel. Right, so this is our form, but I will use this way. I'm going to show you. So I will cut that and paste inside there, right? As you can see, right? Very simple. So contact data to hide. So we need to set up the icon, email and those data. So let's see how we can do that. I'm gonna select the container contact data 2, and then I'm gonna select the UL tag. Inside the UL tag, I'm gonna remove the bullets, right? And then I'm gonna select the same thing like container call contact data 2 UL ally tag. In the ally tag, I'm going to use margin top and bottom 1 rem, left and right 1.5 rem. I want to make a space, top and bottom, left and right, right? And I'm going to use I think I need to select the, just a minute, I'm going to show you one by one. So UL, li, and I'm going to select this one, I tag. Inside the I tag have icons, so select it and use I tag. Inside the I tag I'm going to use font size will be 1.4 rem of the icon, and then I'm going to use color will be 47 blue color. Perfect. I'm going to use border radius will be 10 pixel. I don't need to use that, but I don't need to use that. Right, so I think everything is perfect. Let's target the location section, I mean strong tag. So I select this one and strong tag. Inside the strong tag I'm going to use margin left will be 10 pixel and font size will be 1.2 rem. Perfect. Then I'm going to select the paragraph tag like this one. So select this data paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag I'm going to use font size will be 14 pixel and margin left I'm going to use 35 pixel because I want to move this one in the same position like this one, as you can see. Okay, so I think here is a mistake. What is the message? Text type, this will be a text area. So right, so as you can see, perfect. Okay. But I will decrease the rows on like 5 to decrease the size of this one section. I think everything is perfect on there. So I think we need to work on the Google form, I mean Google Map. So I'm going to open my previous project and I'm going to select this one location, call the share location and call embed, copy the embed code, just a minute, copy the embed code and go to your code editor, and after this one form, right, so I'm going to call the div, write the class map and paste the map on there. So let's see. Okay, I need to cut that and paste on this one section. So just a minute. Right, so let's work on the CSS to manage the map. So I go to my style.css, select this one section and dot map. Inside the map have iframe. So in the iframe I'm going to use width will be 90% and height will be 280 pixel, margin top and bottom 0, left and right 1 rem. So I think everything is perfect on there. Yes. So this is a very simple form that I have used HTML and CSS to, but I'll check this one. This is my previous form, right, and this is my new form, right. So we need to use what media query. I think I need to use border radius in the input fields, so I need to check that. Where is my, so border radius 0.5 pixel. So I think yes, perfect. So this is size, right. So everything is perfect. Okay, so we're gonna use media query to manage the size of the. So the first thing is I'm gonna show you another important thing. So I select the Google Map, Google Developer Tool. If you want to use the media query, you need to use this one section and check out where you will see to change the location, change the size. So first I'm gonna use the everything inside there is clear, I think. Yes. So I'm gonna select the media max width will be 768 pixel. Inside there I'm gonna use the container class. Inside the container class I have a contact data, and I'm gonna use width will be 75%. First I'm gonna save that. Let's see. What happened on there. Container contact data. First I'm gonna select this one. Just a minute. Media max width 768 contact container. The contact data 2. This is the contact. So first we need to use this one. Contact data 2. Why it doesn't? Just a minute, I'm gonna check that why it doesn't move. I check it now where it is problem. Okay, we need to use flex wrap on there, then you will understand. As you can see, so where it are change the position, so you need to go on Google Developer Tool and check out where you will see our contact form are moved or change the position. So you need to select this one is a size. So the first thing is I'm going to select the same thing, media, and I'm going to use max width will be 7. This one. Just a minute, I'm going to get the copy and paste on the pixel, and inside there I'm going to use the container dot contact data form, and also I'm going to select this another contact data too, and I'm going to use width will be 80%, and I'm going to use margin to make a space, top and bottom 10 pixel, left and right 0 pixel. So first save that. Let's see. As you can see, have a space and contact. Just a minute, I'm gonna set it, and also I'm gonna use margin there. Right, as you can see. Perfect. So you can use the media query to manage your contact us form. Okay, last thing, what is this now? Why I've seen this one. So I go to this one and I'm gonna remove height. Just a minute, I'm gonna remove this one section. As you can see, right? So this is our contact us form using HTML and CSS3. So okay, just a minute guys, just a minute. Okay guys, okay guys, so I need to select the body, and we need to use this one in the body, and I also use the 100 VH on there. Max width will be 100%. So let's check it now on this time. Yes, as you can see, right? If you want to change this one position, like width of the, I'm going to show you this one, so you can use that on there. So it's like that. Width will be 100%, so save. And also I'm going to use same thing on there. So you can use media query to manage it, as you can see, right? But I will use the width of the 50% and also 50% on there. So save. Let's see, as you can see. So I hope you are understood as well all about how you can create a responsive contact us form using HTML, CSS. So hope you are understood as well. Have a nice day.